Over the past decade, Henry Ford Innovations has become an integral part of the Southeast Michigan entrepreneurial ecosystem. Our journey began modestly as a vehicle to commercialize the intellectual property and ideas from within the Henry Ford health system. However, we knew early on that Henry Ford could have tremendous impact on healthcare and the economic development of the region, and we built HFI with the future in mind. As we matured, we embraced the inherently dynamic nature of innovation and created opportunities to further leverage our intellectual assets. With the strong bedrock of Henry Ford's vast IP and know-how, we discovered novel ways to create greater internal and external impact. Internally, we created an education and training program for our best and brightest physicians and staff so that they could think like innovators and create new products and services that could be brought to market. Externally, we leveraged our IP through the Global Technology Development Program with the State of Israel, generously funded by the William Davidson Foundation. The coupling of Henry Ford's integrated value approach and innovation infrastructure with true world-class development opportunities in Israel can transform global healthcare and create new business opportunities to economically revitalize Southeast Michigan. We have tapped into Israel's innovation ecosystem and created a solid network of Israeli investors, incubators, accelerators, entrepreneurs, health systems, and universities. Relationships have been established with a cross-section of the Israeli mobile and digital health, including Startup Nation Central, a not-for-profit based in Tel Aviv, and mHealth Israel. With this established network, we're facilitating a robust bridge between the entrepreneurial ecosystems of Israel and the United States. We have connected with numerous early-stage companies that are creating transformative products designed to impact the future of healthcare. We have connected with over 200 Israeli startup companies and entrepreneurs. We have received 109 applications for potential co-development opportunities from Israel. We have actively assessed over 50 projects. We have executed a memorandum of understanding with Sheba Medical Center for innovation collaboration around patient-reported outcomes and cybersecurity. And we have identified and are exploring commercial partnerships and co-development initiatives with several growth stage companies that fit our program model. In 2017, we conducted our first challenge entitled Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare to build best-in-class AI and machine learning tools. We received 48 submissions, with the winner being an AI firm called Montfort Brain Monitor.
We bring the technology, and Henry Ford brings the know-how to integrate this technology into day-to-day service with all the payers and providers, and eventually to get to the goal where we want to improve health of our patients together.
In 2018, HFI conducted our second challenge, which was reducing 30-day hospital readmissions. HFI sought Israeli startups with the skills and capacity to identify and provide strategies to improve patient and caregiver engagement in the discharge process. The winning company was Healthimize, which will receive funding up to $75,000 to sponsor research and clinical development of its breakthrough technology at Henry Ford.
Your constant presence here really brings some direct insight to the companies here. It also creates a great conduit for reaching the U.S. market, for creating partnership to bring not just technology, but a product that's going to be desired there in the market.
In Israel today, women comprise 40% of the biomedical engineering and 50% of medical students at Tel Aviv University. Yet only 8% of C-level executives in Israel health tech startups are women. Moreover, women-led health tech ventures raise less capital than their male peers. Illustrating this fact, only 20% of attendees at mHealth Israel events are women. In order to attract interdisciplinary collaborative technologies and solutions, HFI has partnered with mHealth Israel to create focused opportunities to introduce our Global Technology Development Program to women entrepreneurs. We have hosted over 50 high-level women health tech leaders at dedicated events, culminating with the Henry Ford-sponsored Disruptive Women in Health Tech Workshop. In 2018, Henry Ford Innovations partnered with mHealth Israel to host a day-long boot camp event in Detroit. This boot camp provided early-stage Israeli startups the opportunity to learn more about introducing their innovation in the United States. Sessions were conducted on relevant topics, including growth opportunities, barriers to technology adoption, and disruptions within the United States market. Startups also received product feedback based on our provider's perspective. The Global Technology Development Program with Israel has become our signature initiative. Through the support of the Henry Ford Health System and our generous donors, we have created a unique platform here. We're improving healthcare and improving Detroit's economy at the same time. We invite you to learn more about our exciting programs.